There's lots of trade setups that's going to form that I'm not going to be participating in, but I can still engage them and show you that this is what it does. I'm looking for my own setups. This morning, that may have been your setup. But because I didn't do a live trade in it, but I did execute with a demo, don't look at that and say, well, ICT didn't take that with a live account. So I probably shouldn't use this as my model. No, don't do that. Don't fucking do that. Because if you saw this forming before I even put my tweet out, you have found your model. That's the one you lock onto. Fuck what ICT says. You found it. You know what the fuck you're looking for now. Don't let anybody, especially me, because I'm not trying to discourage anybody. Once you find your own niche in this, that's it. Don't let me change it. Don't let me influence any of that. Because once you find that one, that's what everybody's looking for. That one thing, that model, that approach, the way the chart looks, the time frame that you're looking for it to form in, the logic behind all that shit. Once you have that, stop looking. Stop trying to tinker with it. Stop fucking around with it. It works. Just look for it to continuously deliver. And you're going to have losing trades with that. Some of my better models still have losing trades, folks. There's no perfect trading. There isn't. It doesn't exist. But if you have something that you see based on what you learned, don't change it. Don't look for me to add more spice to it. You don't need to kick it up a notch. You want it to be simple, easy, that is so obvious in the chart that your eye goes right to it. Don't let me fuck that up for you, because I don't know that you're doing it, so it's not intentional if it happens. But just know this. If you have something that's in your trading that you've been doing and it's working, don't tinker around with it. Don't mess with it. Don't try to add more to it. Just work with it, because experience will guide you and tell you what you should be doing. Because right now, so many of you are just scratching the surface of finding consistency. And as I mentioned before, that's a very dangerous location for a developing student. In trading, you have all these feelings of wanting to go out there and conquer the world and over leverage because you got something that works. And now you're telling yourself, well, I know I'm never going to continuously do over leveraging, but damn it, I got to do it this time because I just want to know what it feels like to make a big trade. And then it kicks you in the ass, and then you feel demoralized. And then you'll second guess the setup again when it forms, and you'll feel like it ain't worth taking it because to use less leverage, because now you have drawdown. It feeds on itself. You have scared, fearful money, and that can't make money. So all these things, it's a balancing act. I many times use this expression in my private group. It's like plate spinning. You ever seen a plate spinner? They take the little dowel rod up here on the stage and they take a plate and they spin the plate around on top of the dowel. And they got 20, 30, 50 of them all at one time. They had to keep every plate spinning, running around and seeing which one's wobbling, and then go there and spin it some more. That's what profitable, consistent trading is like. You're going to balance all this bullshit. And now, some of you want to bring in, look at the shit that I get. And look what I give away. And look what I've proven. And I still catch shit. So you're asking yourself, developing, you want to get out here in the world of social media where all these motherfuckers are miserable cretins. They're this monster fucking shitbaggers, okay? They literally hate their fucking life. They live to go on social media to piss on everybody else. That's what makes them feel good. Some of you guys want that so bad, and you're not ready for it. You're not ready for it. Okay? You're not. Because that's a drain. It's a drain on your attention. It's a drain on your focus. And you don't need that in your early development. Now, honestly, nobody really needs it at all. It's toxic as shit. So you got to ask yourself, why are you here? Are you here waiting for me to make a mistake so you can say, hi, you're a fucking clown. See, you're a fool. And ignore everything else I've been doing all year long? Because that's what I'm going to say if you do it. And it'll be crickets. I'm going to lose. It'll happen. But what are you doing with the information I'm giving you right now? Are you here to try to learn? Because if you're here to try to learn, I promise you, I'm here to help you do that. I'm here to fucking help you do that. I literally walk around wanting more people to say, you know what? I'm making a change. It's going to take some work. It's going to take some effort. and nobody else fucking believes in this at all, and I'm still going to dig into this. That's my audience. That's my audience.